Hey there, fellow budget travelers. Welcome to another exciting adventure on our channel. Today, we're diving into affordable travel tips from Bangladesh to India. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the vibrant streets of Delhi or the serene beaches of Goa? Well, get ready, because we're about to show you how to make that dream a reality without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in and discover how to make your Bangladesh to India trip both memorable and budget-friendly. First things first, let's talk about planning your trip. The key to affordable travel is all in the preparation. Start by deciding when you want to travel. Off-season travel can save you a lot of money on flights and accommodations. Consider visiting India between April and September for the best deals. Now let's move on to transportation. Flights from Bangladesh to India can be quite affordable if you know where to look. Check out budget airlines like Indigo or SpiceJet for some great deals. Pro tip, book your flights at least 2 months in advance for the best prices. Once you're in India, consider using public transportation to get around. Buses and trains are not only cheap, but also a great way to experience local culture. For longer distances, overnight trains can save you money on accommodation too. Speaking of accommodation, let's explore some budget-friendly options. Hostels are a fantastic choice for solo travelers or those looking to meet new people. Many hostels in India offer clean, comfortable rooms at very reasonable prices. If you prefer more privacy, consider guest houses or budget hotels. Websites like booking.com or Agoda often have great deals on these types of accommodations. Now let's talk about one of the best parts of traveling: food. Indian cuisine is delicious and, lucky for us, often very affordable. Hostels are a fantastic choice for solo travelers or those looking to meet new people. Many hostels in India offer clean, comfortable rooms at very reasonable prices. If you prefer more privacy, consider guest houses or budget hotels. Websites like booking.com or Agoda often have great deals on these types of accommodations. Now let's talk about one of the best parts of traveling: food. Indian cuisine is delicious and, lucky for us, often very affordable. Street food is a great way to taste authentic flavors without spending too much. Just be sure to choose vendors that look clean and popular with locals. For sit-down meals, look for local dhaba restaurants instead of touristy spots. When it comes to sightseeing, many attractions in India have different prices for locals and foreigners. Don't let this discourage you. Many famous sites like the Taj Mahal are still worth the price of admission. However, you can balance your itinerary with free attractions like temples, markets, and parks. Here's a money-saving tip. Consider purchasing a local SIM card when you arrive in India. This can help you avoid expensive roaming charges and make it easier to use maps and translation apps. Let's not forget about shopping. India is famous for its colorful markets and unique handicrafts. While it's tempting to buy everything you see, remember to budget for souvenirs. Practice your bargaining skills in local markets. It's expected and can be quite fun. Safety is always a concern when traveling, especially on a budget. Stay alert and keep your belongings close, particularly in crowded areas. Consider using a money belt to keep your cash and important documents safe. Here's an insider tip: make friends with locals or other travelers. They can often point you towards hidden gems that aren't in the guidebooks. Plus, sharing experiences and sometimes costs can make your trip even more enjoyable. Remember to respect local customs and dress codes, especially when visiting religious sites. This not only shows respect, but can also help you avoid any unnecessary expenses for appropriate clothing. Lastly, don't forget to budget for unexpected expenses. Set aside a small amount of money for emergencies or spontaneous adventures. You never know when you might stumble upon a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And there you have it, folks, your guide to affordable travel from Bangladesh to India. Remember, the best experiences often come from stepping off the beaten path and embracing local culture. Have you tried any of these tips before? Or do you have your own budget travel secrets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more budget travel tips. Until next time, happy travels and namaste.